Wash today. Dirty as hell. Yeah, this is the car wash here. And they do a loop oil change too as well. Focus. Yeah, right there. It's muddy as hell, man. See that? All right, let's see now the end of it. Muddy as hell. There. And they do oil change as well. Yeah, this is the place. Nice place. Right on 128 and 156. Oh, no, plus the oil change though. Plus the oil change. And they give you a popcorn here. See that? While you're waiting. Yeah, and a coffee. All right. So let's go check out the oil change area. This is the oil change area. Yeah. And this is the bay wash. I think I should close this. Yeah, right there. Good job, man. Good job, man. Last time they didn't do this. That's what. Oh, the big man here. Yeah, the only hiker. Yes, the only. Yeah. They're doing a good job today. I was in such a too much in a hurry last time, so they only give me a rinse out. Today I'm getting the full 9 yard, cleaning up. It's been a long week out. Before I park it today, gotta give it a wash. Look at that now. Nice. I know it's shiny now. Doing manual, yeah? You gotta do a manual? You're doing it manually, yeah? Oh, wow. She's getting a really good treat today. Very good job, man. Very good job. Like it, like it. She's getting a good treat today. Yeah, today's done, yeah. As you see now, these guys are doing a good job, right? Just make sure that you guys just come. You guys make sure that you guys check this place out. It's really good. washing is done. This guy's done a great job. In case you're looking for a car for a truck wash, you gotta check these people. This guy, they are right on 156, 154, and 128. So it's called North Star Truck Wash. Okay? It's called North Star, right? North Star Truck Wash. North Star Truck Wash. You guys check these people out. They have a great oil change too as well. They're pretty reasonable price. Till then, as usually what I say in every video, yeah.